Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you step by step how to cook dry beans. Yes, the correct way and the way that your beans are going to come out pink. Yes, you heard right. They're going to be so soft. The color is going to be nice and pink, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So don't ever babysit your beans. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready our Peruano beans. Of course, if you don't have Peruano beans and you have pinto beans, it goes the same way. Let me tell you. Let me show you. I am using 2 cups of beans, Peruano beans. I am going to clean them really good, making sure there's no rocks or no dirt. I'm going to mix it very well, clean them very well until the water runs clear. This part is very important, beautiful family. You want to make sure that your beans have no dust, no dirt, and they're completely clean. This is the perfect way to make your homemade bean soup. Well, here I want to show you step by step how to clean your beans before you start cooking them. And if you're learning how to cook and you want to learn step by step how to cook your beans from step 1, how to clean them, how to separate, make sure there's no little rocks in your beans, this is the correct way. So here I am going to remove all the water. I know that the beans are nice and clean. And now I'm going to start adding water. I'm going to add about 5 inches of water right on the top of the beans. This is going to ensure that the beans are going to cook in only one water. There's no need to continue adding water while it's cooking. I'm adding 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt. And remember, the salt is to taste. Always add a little bit, and at the end, you could add some more salt. Here, I'm waking up my garlic cloves. I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to add into my beans. This is gonna prevent you from getting bloated when you're enjoying beans. Let me show you. I'm going to go ahead. I have my 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, enough water, and 3 garlic cloves. And now you don't need to babysit. Cover your pot. Cook your beans in very low heat. When I say low heat, is low heat. You don't want the water to start bubbling and falling out of the bowl. You want to cook it slowly for 3 hours. Do not open the pot. Leave it closed and you will see your beans be nice and pink. Look how beautiful. Cook it for 3 hours in very low heat. Do not open your pot. And you're going to be amazed how beautiful your beans are going to turn out. They're going to be fluffy, they're going to be moist, and they're going to be delicious. And if they need a little more salt, this is the time to add a little bit of salt right when they're done. So here I am ready to plate it. I'm ready to show you how beautiful, and the color is so beautiful. I don't remove the bay leaves. If you want to remove the bay leaves, that's your choice. But I like leaving the bay leaves behind because they still release the flavor. So I leave it on the pot and I continue enjoying my amazing homemade beans from scratch. Look at this. You're going to be thinking, how is Gloria going to enjoy these amazing beans? You could add cilantro, onion, cheese, sour cream, tortillas. I'm just adding a chile serrano and queso fresco. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these Peruano beans. This soup is very easy to prepare. Your beans are going to be fluffy, soft, moist, nice and pink, and delicious. You don't need to babysit when you make your frijoles. Let me tell you, I am going to enjoy it with a pedazo de queso fresco and some chili. But let me taste it as is. Look at this. Soft, moist, and delicious. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. I showed you step by step how to cook your beans, and they came out perfect every time. Mmm. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, how to cook your basic beans, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing, fluffy and moist and delicious homemade beans made from scratch. See you soon. Bye-bye.